Hi everyone, Tasha here for Cat Scrappiness, and today I'm introducing the new A2 Quilted Background Die and Mini Slimline Quilted Background Die. Here's just a close-up of the Slimline die, and this Mini Slimline die measures 3.5 by 6, and here is the A2 Quilted Background Die, and this one measures 4.25 by 5.5. And both of them have this pretty quilted detail, and it has a border, the diamond quilt pattern, and a little indentation within those diamonds to have a little gem or pearl. And here are two pieces of paper that I cut out with the dies. The first one is the mini slimline cut, and you can see this pierced detailing. And you can have, again, the little pearl or a gem in these little indentations between the diamonds, or leave it plain. And then here's a close-up example of the A2 size. And you see, just alone, it has so much detail, and this would be great on your cards for your background. I do have a card example using the A2 sized die. And this one, I did add the little pearls to those little indentations. And the great thing is that you don't have to struggle on placement of your pearls or your gems because there's already a spot for them. And I hope it shows up on camera, but do you see how it lines up perfectly? I hope you guys enjoyed a peek at the two new dies from Cat Scrappiness. These ones are great for a background. It's really pretty and it's simple to do since it's just one die. I'll have all the details in the description box below, and I hope you're having a great day. Bye-bye.